Welcome to our channel where gaming dreams come to life. Are you tired of laggy gameplay and slow load times? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we've got the ultimate guide to finding the best gaming PC that will take your gaming experience to the next level. From budget-friendly options to top-of-the-line powerhouses, we've got it all covered. So let's not waste any more time. Get ready to embark on this epic journey to discover the best gaming PC for you. First up, we have the SkyTech Gaming Shiva Gaming PC desktop. Is a powerhouse for gamers who crave top-tier performance. With its sleek and futuristic design, this gaming PC not only looks impressive, but also delivers on the promise of exceptional gaming experiences. At its core, the Shiva is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X processor, a 6-core CPU that ensures blazing fast processing speeds. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card, you can expect stunning visuals and smooth gameplay for even the most demanding titles. This combination also makes it ideal for content creators who need rendering power. The system comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which allows for seamless multitasking, and a 500 GB NVMe SSD for lightning-fast storage access. You won't have to worry about running out of storage space, as this PC offers ample room for all your games and media. With Wi-Fi 6 and multiple USB ports, connectivity is a breeze. Plus, the RGB lighting system adds a touch of style to your gaming setup. The Shiva is VR-ready, meaning you can dive into the world of virtual reality with ease. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a streamer, or a multimedia enthusiast, the SkyTech Gaming Shiva Gaming PC desktop delivers the performance you need to conquer any challenge. Next on our list is the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC. Is a formidable gaming rig that's built to deliver an immersive and smooth gaming experience. Designed with power and performance in mind, this PC is sure to satisfy even the most demanding gamers. Under the hood, you'll find an Intel Core i5 11400F processor that can handle multitasking with ease. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card, you will enjoy crisp visuals and responsive gameplay, making it perfect for both casual and competitive gamers. With 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 500 GB NVMe SSD, this PC offers quick loading times and lag-free gaming. You can store your entire game library and still have space left for other media. The Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC features RGB lighting, adding a touch of flair to your setup. It also boasts connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and multiple USB ports, ensuring you stay connected and ready for action. This PC is VR ready, which means you can dive into virtual reality worlds and explore new dimensions of gaming. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or streaming your gameplay, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC has you covered. Moving on to the third is the iBUYPOWER SlateMR Gaming PC. Is a versatile gaming powerhouse that combines performance, style, and affordability. If you're looking for a gaming PC that can handle modern titles without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic choice. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card, the Slate MR offers impressive gaming performance. It's not just for gaming though. This PC can handle everyday tasks, content creation, and streaming with ease. With 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 240 GB SSD, you'll experience fast load times and smooth multitasking. While the storage capacity may be on the smaller side, it's expandable, so you can add more storage as needed. The PC features a sleek black case with customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to personalize your gaming setup. It also includes Wi-Fi connectivity and plenty of USB ports for all your peripherals. The iBUYPOWER SlateMR Gaming PC is an excellent choice for gamers who want great performance without the high price tag. Whether you're playing the latest games or tackling productivity tasks, this PC is up to the challenge. Now let's talk about the fourth number as the iByPower Pro Y60 Gaming PC. It's a beast of a machine designed to cater to the most demanding gamers and content creators. With its powerful components and sleek design, it's ready to take your computing experience to the next level. At its core, the Pro Y60 is equipped with an Intel Core i9 11900K processor, one of the most powerful CPUs available. Combined with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card, you can expect incredible gaming performance and jaw-dropping visuals. This gaming PC comes with a generous 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a spacious 1 TB NVMe SSD, ensuring you have plenty of memory and storage for all your needs. It can handle multitasking, video editing, 3D rendering, and more without breaking a sweat. The sleek and minimalist design of the Pro Y60 is complemented by customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to create your desired aesthetic. It also offers advanced cooling technology to keep temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions. Connectivity options are abundant with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and a variety of USB ports. This PC is VR-ready, making it perfect for virtual reality enthusiasts. Whether you're a professional gamer, content creator, or both, the iByPower Pro Y60 Gaming PC delivers unmatched performance. Last but not least, the SkyTech Gaming Azure Gaming PC desktop is a stylish and capable gaming machine that combines aesthetics with performance. Designed for gamers who want both power and visual appeal, it's a fantastic addition to any gaming setup. Under the hood, you'll find an AMD Ryzen 7 5800X processor, a high-performance CPU that's ready to tackle the latest games and demanding tasks. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card, you'll experience stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. With 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, this PC offers ample memory and storage space. You can store your games, videos, and files without worrying about running out of space, and multitasking is a breeze. The Azure Gaming PC desktop features a sleek case with customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to match your setup's aesthetic. It's also equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and plenty of USB ports for connectivity. This PC is VR-ready, making it a great choice for those who want to explore the world of virtual reality gaming. Whether you're a casual gamer or a content creator, the SkyTech Gaming Azure Gaming PC desktop delivers the performance and style you desire. And that's it for today's video on gaming PCs. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your questions or thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more gaming content.